White House release published Saturday, January 3, 2026. Here's what the Trump administration is doing to crush Minnesota's fraud epidemic. President Donald J. Trump and his administration are taking aggressive action to dismantle fraud networks in Minnesota. The administration says these networks grew under Democrat leadership, including Governor Tim Walz. The Department of Justice is leading multiple investigations into fraud in Minnesota programs such as Feeding Our Future, Housing Stabilization Services, and others. So far, DOJ has charged 98 defendants with 85 of Somali descent. 64 have been convicted. Over 750 subpoenas have been issued, 130 search warrants executed, and more than 1,000 witness interviews conducted. The FBI is investigating dozens of healthcare and home care providers for fraud. They are using forensic accountants and data analytics teams. The FBI is also looking into possible links to elected officials and terrorist financing. The Department of Homeland Security has hundreds of officers in Minnesota conducting door-to-door investigations at suspected fraud sites. DHS has arrested over 1,000 criminal illegal aliens in recent weeks. Operation Twin Shield identified over 1,300 fraud findings in Minneapolis and St. Paul. DHS is reviewing these cases for further action, including refugee status and denaturalization. The Department of Health and Human Services has frozen child care payments and now requires proof for all child care-related payments nationwide. HHS is enforcing federal law to recover Medicaid benefits from sponsors of immigrants and is investigating Minnesota's Head Start programs for fraud. The Small Business Administration has stopped all annual grant payments to Minnesota. It suspended 6,900 borrowers for about $400 million in suspected fraud and banned them from future loan programs. The Department of Housing and Urban Development has sent a team to Minnesota to investigate possible public housing assistance fraud. The Department of Labor is reviewing Minnesota's unemployment insurance program. The Department of Agriculture is requiring Minnesota to recertify SNAP recipients to ensure eligibility. State officials are challenging this move in court. President Trump promised decisive action. The administration says it is delivering with investigations, freezes, and prosecutions across multiple agencies. Officials say rooting out these criminal networks takes time and thorough work to secure convictions and recover taxpayer money. The Trump administration says it is moving with full force and urgency, with more results expected soon. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.